I'm here with a product review of the Hoover Cruise Cordless. And I'm going to tell you right from the jump what I like about this style, which is made by a couple different brands. But what I like about it over the other traditional style is that if you notice, there's no bunch of bags to clean up on this. There's no cords. And I really like the fact that there's no bristles. That's my pet peeve. I hate bristles because ultimately you're going to be responsible for having to clean out the bristles, which is about as difficult as trying to clean a brush that you've had for a decade. I don't like it. It seems to attract lint and everything. So let's get started and you'll see. You can see the little specks of dirt and stuff on the floor, but in a second you'll see it no more. Here's a good example over here. Look at all those little specks. They'll be gone in a second.